आता एक ऑडिओ व्हायरल झाला which is of the sports minister threatening the director of social welfare, and he's using abusive language against the speaker and the chief minister. Now when this was raised by me on day one, on Monday, the speaker chose to keep silence. आता a statement was released that this was an internal matter of the BJP. So, tum bhi chup, hum bhi chup. Ye mantra, I think you all have to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Speaker to speak about it when their names have been used in this. Ada, ye chintpak jai tumi ki jenna such type of language is used. What is the cyber cell doing? Are they sleeping? Why suo motu cognizance not taken of this already? As the Congress party has filed a complaint yesterday. At the same time, it shows the lethargic attitude and the dadagiri aaj chalya. This is absolutely demeaning to the chair. The speaker is the highest authority or custodian of the house. But this silence is आता. I hope they don't hush up this case. म्हाका दिसता एक मंत्री आसलो गेले कॅबिनेटीन who was circulating porn videos from his mobile in the middle of the night. Is this similarly, are you all going to यही बंद कोतले प्रकरण का म्हणून? And where is this cyber cell? The honorable governor speaks about cyber cell being so active. Are they sleeping? हो प्रश्न म्हाका दिसता आमी विधानसभेनूय मांडटा.
मिनिस्टरान तो फेक म्हणून सांगला.
Allegations are fake म्हटलं.
See, minister is a minister. At the same time, he's also an actor by profession. So that is something that you all need to see.
So तुम्ही विषय घेऊन घेतला आहे.
Oh, definitely, we will raise this issue. We will definitely raise the issue of this particular matter.
Thank you.